Okay, so I'm here inside of Bear, and we've got a few new features. We've got QR code generator and a way to copy and move files around, both inside of Bear and even outside of the system. So let's start with the QR code. I have a URL here in my clipboard, and it's to a YouTube video. And so I'll share it with you right now. Let's make a QR code out of it. Bear QR, and then you paste in the URL, and that's going to spit out the path, right, of the file. Now, by default, it puts it in the downloads, right? So if I go over here to downloads, I see that that's my EKMC. There it is right there. And you can scan that and then go to this YouTube video. Now, if you wanted to, you could move that, right? So imagine, right, you have that file and you're like, bear move, right? And you want to move that, and you don't want to move it to, let's say, documents slash, let's say, dog QR code, right? .png. Now notice how I'm not putting in .var here because it's assuming that we're within the Bear environment, right? So it's trying to make it easy on you like that. Of course, you do have to specify exactly where the file that you're moving is, right? And that does need to be inside of the .var. So if I click that, notice it just left, and now we go into Documents, and it's over here, nicely named Dog QR code. You can also, of course, pipe that in as input. So imagine, I've got my QR code here. I want to make that link into a QR code, which is going to give me a path, right? So I can pipe that path over to .bear move, right? And we're going to move it to documents, my new code, right? And there it just goes ahead and skips the download and immediately pops that back over to documents for us. So pretty cool. And then copy is essentially move, except not moving it, just like making a copy of it. So I can just replace that with copy, and then we'll actually keep both of the files, right? So you can't really see what happened because we kept the same name, but we did copy this over to that. So now we exist in two places. But yeah, that's a general, gist of it. Yeah, more features to come. Stay tuned.